Hi guys, welcome to Glitch Guru. In this video, we'll show you what to do if the mobile hotspot is not working or showing on your Samsung Galaxy phone. So to fix this, first open the settings app. Now tap on connections. In this menu, tap on data usage. Now tap on data saver and turn off this toggle. Once you do this, you should be able to turn on the hotspot. However, if this does not work, your best option is to scroll down and tap on general management. Here you will need to scroll down again and tap on reset. Here scroll down one more time and tap on reset mobile network settings. Reset these settings, go back to the previous menu and tap on reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. Reset these settings as well and then restart your Samsung Galaxy phone. If this does not work, your best option is to contact your network provider. Most network providers have specific APN settings or account related settings that are necessary to use the hotspot. So if you are using the hotspot for the first time, it's best to contact your carrier. If you have any questions about this, feel free to ask them in the comments below and don't forget to subscribe.